everybody. So I'm out here near the Safeway Distribution Center at Colorado Boulevard and I-70, approaching the I-70 West ramp going northbound. The reason I'm out here is because right in this area at this light, someone I know, a nice lady, was sitting in her gray GMC Envoy, and she was rear-ended by a red SUV at 3:35 p.m. this past Wednesday, March 4th. Again, that's Wednesday, March 4th at 3:35 p.m. And that's important because there's got to be a camera that got him on film somewhere leaving the scene. She said after she got rear-ended, her Envoy got slammed into a black VW Passat, and the police already said there's nothing they can do. A lot of the traffic cameras don't record, but on some intersections, I'm gonna get through this intersection, I'll continue talking. Well, it's too late. But they said a lot of the traffic cameras don't record, but I see two sets of cameras on a lot of the poles. There's the long white traffic camera, and there's the halo camera. It's the little round one. I don't know if I'm having a difficulty getting an answer on who operates which cameras. I think CDOT operates the long white ones. I don't know if they also operate the halo ones. But anyways, this is the intersection. I'm gonna ride up to it so you'll be able to see. She was in the far right lane heading north. She said after she got hit by the red SUV, he took off heading north. So pretty confident he kept going north on Colorado Boulevard. Again, we're at Colorado Boulevard and I-70. I'm gonna get through this intersection and then I'll continue talking. Parked right around here waiting for the light to turn. Get through this. So there's the intersection. Thinks he kept going this way. On Colorado Boulevard going over I-70. This is I-70 here. The reason I'm making this video is because the guy in the red SUV did a hit and run. We gotta get this guy off the streets because he'll do it again and he may kill somebody the next time. So I want to get this video to go viral. Don't have too much to go on. It's a red SUV with front end damage. Again, a red SUV with front end damage. That happened at 3:35 p.m. on Wednesday, March 4th. I'm just gonna hold tight here. Definitely not a place to ride a bike, but I'm gonna go up to this intersection. I forgot to show the cameras on the poles at the last intersection, but they're traffic cameras and halo cameras. I don't know if this, and that that ramp I just went through, that's the ramp to get onto I-70 West. See a traffic camera. Up on this pole there's a halo camera, and over there there's a traffic camera. It's hard to see, but on the other poles. Oh, and I went to that U-Haul place yesterday. They have cameras on the outside, but they don't look at the street. They look at the sides of the building. But see, you know, these intersections have cameras on them. Intersection, and on top of that first pole there's both a traffic camera and a halo camera. I don't know if it's up on this pole here on top. Yeah, see, it's hard to see, but there's a halo camera and a traffic camera up there. I don't know if they're the same organization that operate them. So bottom line, this guy had a red SUV. He did a hit and run on my friend going northbound on Colorado Avenue at the traffic light right before the I-70 ramp, I-70 West ramp. So let's catch this guy because he's a menace to the community and he could kill somebody, okay? Please share this video.